Good afternoon, Salim. My name is Tanu Vermani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS speaking test. Can you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Mil Muhammad.
And what should I call you?
You can call me by my first name, Smil.
Can I see your identification?
Here is my passport, ma'am.
Let's talk about your hobbies. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have some hobbies like swimming, boating, and sometimes I love to playing some sports activities as well as eating is a best hobby I love.
When did you start doing this hobby?
Well, since my childhood, I tried to did hobbies in my 10th standard because have I had a keen interest to do that kind of hobbies.
How much time do you spend on your hobbies?
Normally, I spend 2 to 3 hours on doing something like playing sports game in evening time. Sometimes on weekends, I spend a lot of the time because that time I am totally free and I love to do some activities as well as reading some books to feel relaxation.
Is it important to have hobbies?
It is very interesting question for me. I think it is too essential for everyone to have any hobbies in their life because it is good way to protect their body to playing some sports related hobbies as well as related some reading hobbies.
Would you like to add something?
Can you repeat it?
Would you like to add something?
Yes, of course. I like to add something because sometimes I have leisure time, and that time I prefer to do art because I think it is a good thing for me to do in my leisure time.
What kind of weather do you like?
Well, I live in the India, and there are a lot of weather like warm, hot, and cold. And I prefer all the weathers in my country, but most of the time I like cold weather because I think it is comfortable for me to do everything.
Does the weather affect your mood?
Can you repeat it?
Does the weather affect your mood?
Uh, yeah, from my perspective, summer is a one weather to affect my mood because in summer I feel do not comfortable to do any kind of work or studies, and that time I do not feel comfortable.
What is the typical weather like in your hometown?
Well, there are some typical weather in my hometown. Like I live in the countryside area, and I always face a hot weather in my hometown.
Okay, now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, you can make notes if you wish. If you want to book your one-on-one speaking test with me, so बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक। Please start speaking now.
Well, giving and receiving gifts is a good for everyone's life, but today I'm going to talk about one particular gift that I give for my relative friend. His name is Her, and couple of months ago his birthday, and that time I give the gift as a mobile phone. His name is iPhone 15 Pro, and that time he is a new launch in the market, and he always talk about that kinds of products with me in the evening time, because evening time I meet with him on in the school ground, and he always talk me new technical devices of iPhones. Apart from this, at that time, I decided to give a gift on their birthday as of a mobile phone, because he is a very keen interested to know about their features as well as lot of fruitful application in this mobile. That time, I decided to I decided to give the give the gift on their birthday, and that time I felt over the moon to give the uh, uh, give gift, because I got lot of compliment with her parents and with them, and if I would get a chance in future time, so I will definitely give that kind of as well as my family. So I think it is good for everyone's life to give and receiving gift to others as well as their loved ones. That's it.
In your country, when do people usually give gifts?
Well, in my country, there are a lot of special occasions when people give and receiving gifts with others and their friends. For example, in my country, there are marriages and parties are special on giving gift with others, and most of the time, people like to give gift on the birthday parties from their parents as well as their friends.
Do you think expensive gifts are always better?
Can you repeat it?
Do you think expensive gifts are always better?
From my perspective, it is better for others to give expensive gift, but some people do not afford that kind of gift because they have do not any money to to buy expensive gift. For example, I always prefer to choose cheapest gift to give others, because it is better to maintain financial income as well as, and it is productive for others as well as me.
Why do people enjoy receiving gifts?
uh, I think some things to people. There are some aspects people feel joyness. If people send any kinds of gift to others, then they received after they feel happiness as well as joyness, because it is a good time to meet with others, to receiving and giving gift. And for example, I always received any kind of gift. That time I felt over the moon, because it is a best way to save memory from the others, as well as that time I use it for my basic life, and I think it is most worthwhile for humans.
Are celebrations important in people's life?
Uh, from my perspective, there are celebration is too essential in people life because it is a good way, it is a good time to meet with others like friends and family, and people feel do not stress on to do celebration, and always it is a good activity for humans to do celebrate with the friends and family.
How do people celebrate differently now compared to the past?
Well, nowadays there are a majority of individual like to do lot of things to do celebrate like they go outside with their friends and family in nowadays. On the other hand, in past people prefer to choose the any specific place to celebrate with their families and spend a lot of time with their families to talking about different kinds of stories and topic that time is the best to celebrate in the past. That's it.
Do traditional celebrations still hold value in modern society?
Can you repeat it?
Do traditional celebrations still hold value in modern society?
Um, I think traditional celebrate is do not still in the modern time because people always prefer to choose a new thing to do in their life, and they always prefer new things in nowadays, like they prefer to do different kinds of activities on their special occasions to feel comfortable, as well as they give a lot of fruitful gifts and things with from others, and I think it is not still in the nowadays.
So that is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much. Let me
Thank you.
give you a quick feedback. The entire feedback will be shared on your portal. So your estimated band will
Okay.
be around 5.5. You have frequent pauses and you have self correction also, जिससे आपका natural flow खराब हो जाता है, right? Fluency
Yes.
maintain नहीं हो पा रही है, आप लैक करते हो नेचुरल टोन में, स्पेशली जब आपकी पार्ट 3 होती है, राइट?
Yes.
आप बहुत बार रिपीटेशन करते हो, फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव, फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव, these words are repeated many times, and pronunciation भी words की accurate नहीं है, stress, talking, ये वाले वर्ड्स आप क्लियरली प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते, सो वर्क ऑन प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड इंटोनेशन. जब आप सेंटेंस को एंड करते हो, इट लुक्स लाइक कि आप आगे कुछ बोलना चाहते हो, बट देन यू इमीडिएटली स्टॉप. सो प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्लियर नहीं है, स्लाइटली फ्लैट जा रही है आपकी इंटोनेशन, सो इंटोनेशन पे वर्क करो. पार्ट 1 में भी वर्क करने की नीड है, एंड पार्ट 3 ऑल्सो. Try to speak more spontaneously and confidently also. Okay? Keep on practicing.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.